Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, meron akong i-share sa inyong bagong free earning website, which is bago ko lang siya na-discover. Ito ay si Birds Bank. Maglalaro lang kayo nito at kikita na kayo ng libre. And kung paano ito gawin or paano ito makapag-earn, stay tuned lang kayo until the end of this video para matulong ko sa inyo ang step by step kung paano ba kumita dito kay Birds Bank. So bago tayo mag-proceed, kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga latest videos. So si Birds Bank, kapag upon registration, you will get 10 Dogecoins. Actually, meron na ako na larong ganito way back before. Pero magkaiba lang silang cryptocurrency. Magkaiba lang sila ng currency. Ito kasi crypto. Yung isa is dati siyang pwede kang US dollar or ngayon is parang euro. So yun. So through PayPal. Ito, I think you need Dogecoin address. So, ayan. So, pag nag-register kayo, meron kayong free Dogecoins, which is yun yung pamibilingin ng birds. Which is, ang gagawin nyo dito, lalaruin nyo lang siya. So, kailangan nyo lang mag-alaga ng mga birds. And then, kikita kayo dito through their eggs. So, ayan. Watch this video, coming soon pa lang. So halatang bagong website pa lang ito, guys. So try nyo na, for free naman siya. So yan. So kailangan mo na mag-registered here. So I put the link down below para makapag-register kayo. And then ayan, kapag naka-register na kayo, all you need to do is mag-sign in. So, upon sign in nyo, ayan, makita nyo here, under development siya ng beta. We are regularly updating the develop modules for our game. So, bagong-bago lang siya. So, ayan, may purchase. Mayroon kayong 2 wallet. Katulad din to ng sinasabi ko nga sa nalaro ko na. So, parang same same feature, same platform yung gagawin. So kapag mag-sell kayo ng eggs, pwede nyo hatiin yon through either for your purchase or through your withdrawal. So ayan, so ang minimum nila is 10 doge kapag sa withdraw actually. And optional lang naman kung gusto nyo mag-invite, pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Kasi kikita naman kayo kahit hindi kayo mag-refer, kung ayaw nga mag-refer. And then yun nga, you need to first is mag-alaga ng ibon. So meron silang pinakamababa nila is 10 doge, which is yun nga, once na nakapag-register kayo, you have free. So makakabili kayo ng isang doge. So 30% monthly ang for here sa 1 PC. And then of course, syempre sa pinakamahal na bird is mas mataas yung 180% per month. So pwede naman kayo mag-ipon once na kumita na kayo ng inyong sa mga pag nakapag-sell na kayo ng eggs. So here magkakaroon lang to ng eggs once na nakabili kayo ng bird, and every 24 hours magkakaroon kayo ng eggs here. Dito naman kasi automatic. Dun sa nilalaro ko before, manually yung kailangan. So check natin yung warehouse ng eggs. So dito yung makikita kung ilan na yung, ayan, here as you can see, we have green eggs here. So ayan nga, so like a selling rate for any eggs, 1 eggs equals to 1 Dogecoins. So eggs are automatically collected and delivered to the warehouse every 24 hours. So 24 hours dun nyo na makikita sa warehouse nyo. And then So, ayan, the proceeds from the sale of Dogecoins are distributed between two accounts, an account for purchase and account for withdrawal, in proportions 0% for purchases and 100% for withdrawal. So, yun nga, pwede nga siya 50-50 or pwede nga siya 100 or 0, ganyan. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. The eggs do not deteriorate over time, but you should not hesitate with the sale since the warehouse has a capacity and it can be overfilled, and if the warehouse is full, then new eggs will simply have nowhere to put. So kaya kailangan yung i-sell na kagad yung inyong eggs. So lahat naman, any kind of egg, sinabi is 1 Dogecoins, but we will see that kung totoo yun. And then yun nga, our warehouse, hindi tayo nakaabot sa gold status activate kasi for first 100,000 lang yung register or nakapag-purchase. So yun nga, optional lang din here kung syempre natatagalan kayo maghintay for that. Pwede kasi kayo bumili ng mag-top up here sa balance nyo. So, it's a Dogecoins as well. And then, yun nga, pwede kayo makabili ng mas malaking, mas mamahal na birds or mas mataas yung kanilang monthly na makukuha nyo. Kasi sa akin, parang, ano lang siya, 0.1. So, let's go to check natin yung birds natin. So, as you can see here, flies away. So, meron din siyang limit. So, next year. So, 1 year lang validity niya. And then, mawawala na siya. So, wala pa tayo na-collect kasi bago pa lang tayo. And as you can see, today lang tayo register and nakakuha ng birds. So, ayun lang. So, kapag meron na kayong eggs, you can sell it. And then, makakuha kayo ng Dogecoin. And ayan, as you can see, nakalagay dito daily collect 0.1 Dogecoin. So we will see kung talagang 0.1 siya or 1 Dogecoin per egg. So pero yun nga, kasi depende yan din sa birds na bibili nyo. Kasi dun sa isang sinasabi ko is kunyari, ang binili nyo is yung pinakamababa. Pag binili nyo yung pinakamababa, parang ilang eggs lang yung pwede nyang mai-release or mailabas. So, hindi natin alam kung ilang eggs yung pwede nyang mailabas here. So, pero kasi sinasabi, diba, any kind of eggs, 1 egg is equivalent to 1 doge. Pero as you can see, nakalagay ang daily collected is 0.1 only. So, I'll update you guys once na may bagong update din sila. Kasi, it's very new lang siya. Kasi, if you go to achievement, you can see that, ayan, maglo-launch sila on October 30. So, wala pa silang task list. So, magkakaroon pa sila ng task list coming soon, task lists. So, ayan. And then, meron silang daily bonus. So, yun nga, every day, every 24 hours, possible ka makakuha ng 0.01 to 10 doge. So, don't miss that. So, every day, mag-login kayo and then sell. And then, it's only took for a few minutes to do that. Kasi, syempre, mag-sell ka ng eggs, and then kung enough money ka na, you can buy another birds, and then daily. And yun nga, for now, konti pa na namin gagawin. So just at least 1 minute, kaya siya, or 2 minutes, ganyan. And then meron din silang, ayan, ito yung mga nakukuhang bonuses. So it depends. 0.1, 0.3, 0.7. I think nakuha ko is 0.2. Kaya, ayan. Nakuha ko na siya sa tomorrow again. And then, meron silang referral contests I think yun nga, pero it's optional lang naman to guys. If kunyari meron kayo na refer and then marami kayong na refer, so ito may mga prizes silang pinamimigay. So finish date until October 25. So meron silang up to 15th place. So once na ano, 'di ba? Paramihan nito ng referral. So kung gusto niyo sumali, yun nga, you can share your referral link and 'di ba sa other social media platform. And then bilang ka lang. Meron din silang free lottery. So, the modules wala pa. So, for now, magkakaroon pa lang sila neto. So, stay tuned for that. So, I'll update you once na meron na. Pero yun nga, dapat lagi kayo nag-login so that, malaman nyo din kung meron na, diba? Sayang din yan. Kung meron silang lottery and lottery for Dogecoin, mas okay, diba? At least mas mapapabilis yung pag-earn nyo ng Dogecoins and makapag-withdraw kayo kaagad. And then exchange. So ayan, for give Dogecoin for withdrawal and get Dogecoin for purchase. So yeah, dito nyo kung ilan yung Dogecoin na nyo, i-exchange nyo, diba, for withdrawal and for purchase. So minimum niya kasi is 10 Dogecoin. Always ang minimum nila is 10 Dogecoin. So itong app na to, website na to, grab it, just a few seconds, a few minutes lang, pwede nga na siyang gawin. So tapos na, and then you can earn, diba? Hayaan nyo lang siya, either offline na kayo or to do something else, okay na okay siya. So yun nga, kasi yung other na katulad nito, it's paying pa rin naman until now. So I will do that for another video and stay tuned for that. So yun nga, sayang to guys. So grab it, this opportunity. Wala naman kayo masyadong gagawin, just a few minutes. Pero yun nga, that's the pros. But the cons is hindi siya ganun kalaki ang earnings niya pag free, and then wala naman siya masyadong ads here. So maybe later on magkakaroon ng mga ads, but for now wala pa naman. So ayun guys, if you want to try it, I'll put my link down below so you can check this out. So ayun lang guys, so thank you so much. And kung bago lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga latest videos. And stay tuned for more free earning apps or other investment apps or website. Just stay tuned guys. So God bless and thank you guys. Until next time, goodbye.